Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to plan and organize your life with Notion Calendar in just a few simple steps. Click Notion Calendar in the left sidebar to open your calendar view. The main calendar interface loads, displaying your week in a grid layout with time slots running down the left side. Click the New button at the top left to start creating an event. A new event panel slides in from the right side of your screen with empty fields ready for you to fill in. Type your event title into the title field. For this example, I'm entering Team Strategy Review. The title appears as you type and will display as the event name in your calendar. Click the Start Time field and select 5:30 a.m. from the drop-down to set when your event begins. The drop-down shows time options in 30-minute increments throughout the day. Click the End Time field and choose 6 a.m. to set a 30-minute duration for the event. Notion Calendar automatically calculates the duration and displays it beneath the time fields. Click the Date field and select the 4th from the calendar picker to schedule your event for Tuesday, August 4th. The calendar picker highlights today's date and shows the full month view, so you can choose any available date. Now, to demonstrate editing options, click the three-dot menu button at the top right of the event panel. This menu gives you access to additional actions you can take on any event after creating it. A menu appears with several options, including duplicate, copy link, and delete. For this example, I'll click delete. The event is removed and the calendar returns to your week view with the event panel closed. You can also create events quickly by clicking directly on any time slot in your calendar grid instead of using the New button. If you need to change an event later, just click it in your calendar view to reopen the Details panel. To set up recurring events like weekly meetings, look for the Repeat option in the Event Creation panel before saving. You can assign events to different calendars to color code them by category, work, personal, or team projects. And that's how to create and manage events in Notion Calendar. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.